What is this?
$1,000,000.
Who sent you the $1,000,000?
I'm from my papa.
What do you say to them?
Thank you.
Thank you for what?
Thank you for me $1,000,000.
Sending you $1,000,000?
Uh-huh.
What do you have there? What is that?
For these for my flowers.
They're to water flowers?
Uh-huh.
Oh, cool. Was there anything inside of them?
Sure.
Sure. Well, what's inside of there?
I had to put some water in there. There's no some water. There's no water.
Oh, okay. Where are your flowers?
I don't know.
You don't have any in the front yard, do you?
I don't ring them.
Oh. I love you.
I love you too.
Say I love you, Grandma, Grandpa.
I love you, Grandma, Grandpa.
Say thank you for the $1,000,000.
Thank you for $1,000,000.
Say bye.
Bye.
Wave. Come back here. Blow them a kiss. All right.